Hello, today we are solving October 2023 paper unit number 2. So the question is part D, complete a break-even graph for the year 1 for an output of 0 to 45 units. So for this you have a complete question here. This is with regard to the option 2, okay. For the option 1, okay, for the option 1 which had some variable cost, fixed cost. Okay, for the production of a e-bike given, we were asked to calculate what was the break-even point in the sales unit, what was the break-even point for the revenue. Then we had also had to calculate margin of safety in sales and margin of safety as a percentage of sales and the budgeted net profit. So this was for the option 1. For option 2, they have the fixed and variable cost, okay, different fixed and variable cost projected and estimated. They have a budgeted quantity that was sold and they have given a selling price. Now for this they want you to complete break-even graph, but for the break-even graph you need everything like what is the fixed cost, variable cost and the total of fixed and variable cost, total cost you need. So let's first identify your first step, as I have already discussed in the part 1 of the question. Variable quantity is going to be variable cost is the one where it is going to vary as per the quantity sold or produced. Okay, like for example, delivery cost to the retailers will be 18 pounds per e-bike. So it is going to vary with the e-bike produced, so it is a variable cost. Your first step is to identify what is the variable cost and what are the fixed costs. Fixed costs don't vary with the quantity of production of a product. Okay, so for example, the management salaries, manager salaries, it will be at 744,000 per year. It's fixed. It is not dependent on the e-bike produced. So next one is a manufacturing cost. It will be 157 per e-bike. It's a variable cost because it is dependent on the e-bike produced. Then fixed cost, other fixed cost, this has already been said, it is fixed cost. Then you have the power cost, it will be at 60,000 per year, and you have the rent, which is a fixed cost. Again, it is also fixed, not dependent on the production of the number of e-bikes. Then royalty payments is 20 pounds per e-bike, with this is a variable cost. And then in year 1, 45,000 bikes will be purchased and 100% are expected to be sold. So now let's calculate first the fixed cost. Okay, total fixed cost, total variable cost and the total cost, which is an addition of total fixed cost and total variable cost. Now first one is the fixed cost. So the fixed costs are, first one is manager salary. Manager salary. Then you have the other fixed cost. And then you have the power cost. And then you have the rent. Okay, then you have the total fixed cost. Then you have the variable cost. So now we can see the variable costs are, first one is the delivery cost. Okay, delivery cost. Then we have the manufacturing cost. Then you have the royalty payments. And then you have the shipping costs. Okay, shipping costs. Now and then you will have to calculate total variable cost, and then you have the total cost which is equal to fixed cost plus variable cost. Okay, we have to calculate. Now let's put the values. So first one is the manager's salary. We have seen that manager's salary is around 744,000. Okay, 744,000. So let's write it here. It is 744,000. And then you have other fixed cost, it is 346,000. Okay, and then you have the power cost. Okay, power cost which is 60,000 per year. And then you have the rent which is 650,000. Okay, let's just add 744. Okay, let's add 744,000 plus 346,000. 744,000, 346,000 plus 60,000 plus 650,000, that is 1,800,000. So it is going to be equal to 1,800,000. So that's the total cost. Now let's calculate the variable cost. Okay, variable cost is going to be delivery cost, which is at 18 pounds per, okay, 18 pounds per e-bike. So 18, and then you have 157, and then you have 20 pounds per e-bike, and royalty payments is around 20,000 per e-bike, and then you have shipping costs. Okay, shipping costs which are around 1,000 per container. One container is going to contain 200, so 1,000 divided by 200, that is equal to 5 pounds. So okay, per container it is going to be equal to 1,000 divided by, for the shipping cost it is 1,000 divided by 200 e-bikes. What is the cost for what is the cost? Okay, what is the cost per bike? For variable cost, that is per bike. For 200 bikes it is 1,000. So for one bike, what is the value? Okay, 200 bikes. Now this is the variable cost. Now let's add up the total variable cost. Total variable cost is going to be equal to 18. Okay, 18 plus 157 plus 157 plus 20 plus 5. So that value is going to be equal to 200. Now the total fixed cost plus variable cost is going to be equal to 1. Okay, it is going to be equal to, now before that, this is the variable cost per unit. Okay, per unit. So now we have to calculate what is the variable cost for 45,000 units. Total variable cost for 45,000 e-bikes, it is equal to 45,000 times 200. 45,000 times 200. So that value is going to be equal to, okay, so that is equal to million, 9 million. So that is the variable cost, okay, that is the variable cost. Now the total fixed and the variable cost is going to be equal to this plus 9 million. So that is equal to 10,800,000. 10,800,000.